I am introducing the 5 phases of my Natty Light $10 million contest entry. This is a model of the tab from the Natural Light Beer website. This is the doctoral regalia from the university that I graduated from. My dissertation, Influences of the Inflation Rates on Global Business Operations and Performance, can be found at the citation, which is at the bottom of this slide. I could not carry on intelligent conversations before I started at the various colleges and universities that I've went to. On this slide are some of the inspirations for going to college.